This is Dr. Ferrell on location, Middletown, Delaware, 2016. We've been tracking the weather data for about a week now. And after an otherwise tranquil winter, we've got these conditions. What are the measurable conditions that support that kind of thing? What did your data show that would help you predict this kind of storm? I'm in the snow again, but this time I've come upon a bank of trees. So I decided to take a look at the way the wind might affect snowfall, and brought a ruler along to take a look at the depth. And it looks like in this position there's almost exactly 7 inches of snow. We're on this side of the trees. I'm going to take a second and I'm just going to walk through them and see if it's different on the other side. Here we go. So over here, everything else looks the same, but I just want to see if the depth of snow was different. And if it was, just want to wonder why. Who knows? On this side of the trees, there's 2 inches more snow. I only walked a little bit. What would cause that? I'm in the trees now, I'm taking shelter. It's really windy. I'm just wondering, did you find any pieces of data that you have that might support that the different measurements on either side of the trees was caused by something? If so, looking at your data, could you maybe predict a direction of some kind? Perhaps the direction these trees are facing? Remember, support your conclusions with data. Look for patterns you see in the things you've measured. Convince your table mates. Come up with a decision. There's points riding on this. Look at your data closely. What do you see that suggests this would happen?